Hello everyone, welcome back to Prasuta School. So today in this video, we are going to help you with top 10 companies that are currently hiring for finance freshers. Yes, if you are someone who is looking ahead for a career as a SAP consultant, then this can be your entry part to the SAP industry as an SAP end user. And later on, after gaining some experience as an SAP end user, definitely you can convert your SAP end user experience to be an SAP consultant. So before going ahead, if you are someone who is finding it difficult to find out the opportunities in LinkedIn, Naukri, or any other job portals, then we are operating a WhatsApp community where we post more than 10 to 15 jobs for freshers every day. So comment jobs and we will share the WhatsApp community link from where you can join and even you can apply for the jobs being a fresher. So what we are going to do in this particular video today, we are going to help you or we are going to solve two major problems of any finance fresher. The first is how to find job opportunities, and second, if you already found the job opportunities, how to apply in the right way, what skills you need so that you can convert those job opportunities to an offer letter. Right. So first we will be discussing about the top companies that are currently hiring. But before that, you should know, right, what is SAP end user and what is the role of an SAP end user. So if you are a professional who is working as into SAP end user roles like accounts receivable, accounts payable, record to report, or maybe procure to pay, then you will be using SAP for daily financial works, right? You will be posting accounting transactions, you will be processing invoices, you will be managing financial data, and to do all those tasks, you will be using SAP as your finance software. So if you are using SAP as your finance software to do all those tasks, you are being called as an SAP end user. And this is the only opportunity that is available for freshers to start their career into SAP industry. After gaining 1 or 2 years of experience being a SAP end user, you can apply for further advanced role like SAP analyst or maybe SAP consultant, which is already a high paying career has a high paying career, right? So let's understand top companies that are currently hiring where you can apply for this week and get into those end user roles. The first company is Record to Report. So Accenture is hiring for Record to Report where BCom graduates are eligible with having an experience of 0 to 1 year. So yes, if you are a fresher, you can definitely try applying for this particular position, and the open position is for Bangalore. So this is what you can apply with Accenture. Then we have IBM. IBM have opened more than 10 job openings for their Record to Report, accounts payable, accounts receivable in last 10 days, and many students, like more than 25 students from Prasuta School, have already received the assessment link for these positions with IBM. The third position here is with Cognizant, where Cognizant is currently hiring for accounts payable. Along with that, they have also posted a Record to Report role for fresher, which you can definitely check out. Just comment job and we will share you the direct application link where you can apply for all the three roles that are currently opened with Cognizant, IBM, and Accenture. Right? Then we have Flex. Flex is currently hiring, I will say Flex is currently mass hiring for roles like accounts receivables, accounts payable, record to report, where they are keep posting, this job openings in each 2 to 3 days, and they have their locations in Coimbatore, India. So if you are someone who is looking or open for this location, then definitely you can check out this opening and you can definitely apply for this, right? So more companies which we have posted in our community in last 5 to 6 days are Cognizant, Capgemini, Infosys, Wipro, Sutherland. We have posted openings from Deloitte and many more other companies. So here we have solved one problem of yours, right? How to find the job positions for freshers. You are not required to find anything. We are getting you the job openings. What you have to do is to solve the second problem, which is how to develop relevant skill and how to perform well in interviews so that you can get selected. This is exactly what you should know, right? Skills you have to build for to get eligible at least or maybe to clear these interviews are accounting fundamentals. See, if you are someone who know the theories of accounting fundamentals, if you are someone who is fluent with what is accounting equation, what are accounting principles, what is a balance sheet, what is a PL statement, then that is not going to help you. You should be knowing how this theoretical knowledge can be linked with real world business scenarios. For example, if you have been asked what is accrual concept, or maybe what is a cash concept, and why top companies always follow accrual concept but not cash concept, then you should have a proper answer so that it justifies that your knowledge is not only theoretical but you understand what these concepts are and why these are being used in real and how these are being used in real world business scenarios. The second one is MS Excel. See, to be an accountant, to be an SAP end user, or to be a US tax consultant, you should know at least basic MS Excel tools. You should know at least VLOOKUP, you should know HLOOKUPs, not only the formulas, but what are these tools, why are they being used, and in what task we can use what type of tools that is available in MS Excel. For example, in an interview, you will not be asked, tell me the formula of VLOOKUP. You will be asked, this is a particular project and this is what the outcome should be. So what tools in MS Excel you have to use? Then you have to, identify whether VLOOKUP is the right tool, whether HLOOKUP is the right tool, or whether sorting or whether filtering is the right tool. So then after, you should understand accounts payable, accounts receivable, record to report workflow understanding. So if you're applying for a particular job, then not only understanding the JD is important, but also understanding how this particular team operates in real world business scenarios is equally important. Because if you're someone who have the information of how businesses are being operated in this particular team or in this particular functional department, then there is a very higher chance that interviewer will think, okay, you have the information, you just need some real world training so that you can be a perfect fit for the team, and definitely you will be hired. And above this, the most important mistake that freshers do is that they apply with a generic CV. Never apply with a generic CV that doesn't matches with the job description, that doesn't matches your career goal with the roles and responsibilities of the particular job opening, and that doesn't reflects that, okay, you can be a right person who can be hired for this particular job openings. So to help you with to prepare a better CV, and to prepare you with the skills that is required for this job openings as an SAP end user, we have got you a 30 days accounting SAP end user and US tax program, where you can enroll or you can get access of this program by only paying 99 rupees. So this is a 30 days program where in module 1 you will be helped with each and every details about these roles, where to start with, who should apply for what type of role, what are the skill set you should know, and whatever it is necessary for you as a fresher to know about this particular job openings, we will help you with their understanding in your module 1. In your module 2, we will be helping you with accounting fundamentals that is required to clear accounting and SAP end user along with US tax consultant interviews, not in a way that already you have been taught in your schools and colleges, but in a way that recruiter expects you to answer in the interviews. The third module would be interview preparation. So what to add, what not to add, how to answer your self introduction, how to answer where do you see yourself in next 5 years, and lot many such personal interview questions. So what are the techniques to answer, what is the framework you should always follow to answering these questions, is what we will be helping you with in the third module. Followed by the third module, we will be helping you with the basics of US tax. So if you are someone who is looking ahead for a career as a US tax and you do not know anything about what is US tax and how US tax and workflows happens, nothing, then this module is going to help you with basic knowledge, along with that how to answer these questions in interview, so that you will not reflecting your skills as a fresher, but as an individual who understand how the industry operates. In module 5, we will be helping you with MS Excel, where we will be helping you with the tools and techniques of MS Excel that is required for a professional who is looking at to work in this relevant areas of SAP end user or US taxon. Then in the module 6, that is the most important part of this particular program, is we will help you with profile optimization. We will be helping you with CV optimization, so that you are not only prepared for interviews now, but your CV is also well optimized, so that you can improve your number of job calls that you are getting. So in this program, we have more than 5,000 students already enrolled, and many of them in last 10 days only, we have more than 50 students who have got interview calls from all those job openings that we have recently discussed, from Cognizant, from IBM, from Amazon, from Goldman Sachs, from HSBC, and many more top companies, our student have already started receiving even before completing this 30 days program. So if you are someone who is serious about how to start your career into accounting, into SAP end user, or maybe in US tax consulting, then definitely you should check out this program. The program details are in our in our video description, and you can reach out to us on our WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is already added in the video description, or you can just click on this icon of a WhatsApp and you will be redirected to our team. So that's it for today. And if you want for all the job openings, you can comment jobs and our team will help you to add in our community, where you will be getting daily job updates for all the future finance roles as well. So that's all. Thank you and have a great day ahead, guys.